Welcome back, everyone. We will now begin the results announcement and prize giving. To start, let's invite Dr. Ho back on stage to present the certificates of participation to all our startups. Firstly, accelerated materials. Next, ATLANT 3D. Next, BetaLife. Next, Bioactivx. Next, CartiFuse. Next, Fabricate Labs. Next, Global Cooling Technology Group. Next, Hydra Manufacturing. Next, LAPIS. Next, Magic 3D. Next, SynaCore. Lastly, Voxshell. Thank you, and thank you, Dr. Ho. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, let's invite Dr. Lim Choi, NAMIC Governing Board Co-Chair and CEO of SG Innovate, to present the awards to our winners. For our second runner-up, we have BetaLife. Sorry. Hold on. We have CartiFuse. And for first runner-up, we have BetaLife. And finally, our top winner for SIF 2025, congratulations, Fabricate. Thank you, Dr. Lim Choi. Before we wrap things up, there are a few special mentions to LAPIS and accelerated materials. And now, to wrap things up, we would like to take a moment to acknowledge our venue partner, SG Innovate, event partners, Enterprise Singapore and Slingshot, and supporting partners, A-Star and NRF. Lastly, and not forgetting, our startups, institutional partners, and VC partners. Thank you for making our event a successful one. Once again, my name is Effie, your host for this event. Congratulations to all our winners. Thank you and see you again next year.